Good day, guys. Um, Today I'm doing a review of the Star Sound media player head unit. It's a SSUSB 100 PT, and it's kind of cool for the price. Looking at it, it has a nice silver finish. It's not too cheap, and the buttons are quite nice and soft touch, not too hard like some of the cheaper Chinese brand radios. It also comes with a remote, as you can see. It retails for around 450 to 500 rand in some of the sound shops and auto styling shops. It plays MP3. It has an aux over there. It has a USB. It has a SD card reader, and it also has Bluetooth, as you can see by the code of the radio. The radio said it's rated at 60 watts by 4, but I can tell you it does play a little bit softer than some of the mainstream brands like the Pioneers, the Kenwoods, Sony, JVC radios. It has a nice volume knob over there with some holographic lettering, very nice, because if you turn it, it goes into different colors, as you can see. So it's quite a nice radio for the price that you get it for. I got it for $180, and it looks like it's almost brand new. I got it in the box with the remote and everything, and the remote was covered the way it is here and everything. So I got it at a bargain, I think. Let's put it on. You'll see it has some blue lights. So that's the radio. Let's go to mode. We put it on USB. It has like a calculator screen. The volume goes up to around 40. As you can see now, it's on 3, 4. This is Kanye Greens, but yes, the volume goes up to around 40. I normally put it on around 38, 35 or so on the volume. So, but it's a good radio. I have it for a little while now already. I have it for around 6 months. It never gave me a problem. I only had an issue with finding the Bluetooth pin code, which is pre-programmed into the deck. The pin code is 48. If you buy this radio and maybe you do not know what's the pin code is 48. So yes, very nice radio, I think, for the money. It's just a media play. It doesn't play CDs or anything like that. But let's hear a little bit of music. Let's hear how it sounds.
Yo, what's up? This is Thor, and you're listening to the Mature Sound mixed by my boy Sushi the DJ. Enjoy.
You are now listening to Mature Science, mixed by Sushi the DJ.
Yes, so quite a nice radio, I think, for the price. It also has a reset down here, a reset. Just need the camera to focus. Yes, it has a reset down there. It has a mic down there. Yeah, the reset is for when the radio maybe gets stuck or anything like that, so then you need something like a pin to just press into the reset. You can use something like this, like a paper clip, just to press into the hole over there, just to reset the radio, and then it will start afresh as well. But yeah, quite a good radio. I like it, and like I say, it comes with a remote, and I got it for around 180. Let me know if you guys used anything like this and what's your experience. But yes, very nice.